Hey everyone, this is Andrew from Tech Talk. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use WhatsApp on your Mac. WhatsApp is the most popular messaging app in all of social networks, and I'm going to be showing you how to use it on your Mac laptop or iMac. So go ahead and first of all make sure that you have it downloaded on your mobile device. So you've probably been using it on your mobile device and now would like to access and use it from your laptop. So once you're all set up on mobile, what you're going to do is you're going to come down and you're going to open up the App Store. All right, wait for that to load, and then you're going to search WhatsApp. All right, when you get there, you're going to see WhatsApp Desktop. All right, you're going to go ahead, press Get, and then it's going to allow you to install it. So we're going to press Install App, and then we're just going to wait for that to install fully. Now that that's fully installed, you'll see that it says Open now. All right, you can either press Open there, or you can go down to your Applications, come down and press WhatsApp. Now you could have pressed Open there as well, so those are two different ways of accessing that. Now once you have that, you're going to see this screen pop up. Once you have this screen, that's where you're going to have to go back to mobile, all right? And you're going to open the WhatsApp mobile. We're going to go over to Settings. Now under Settings, there's going to be a setting that says WhatsApp Web/Desktop. You're going to press that, and then you're going to see it's looking for you to scan that same QR code that you have right here. So you're going to go ahead and scan that QR code. I just did that, and you'll see that it automatically logs you in. At that point, you can start any new messages. You can start finding people on WhatsApp and using it the same way you would through mobile. Hopefully that was helpful for you to be able to start using WhatsApp on your Mac desktop. Feel free to check out any of our other videos at Tech Talk. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our other how-to videos, and make sure that you also hit that like button as well. Thank you so much and have a great rest of your day.